This is our HCD 210 usability testing. My name is Mono Barkovich.
My name is Ao Liu.
I'm Yunao.
The appliance we use is Panasonic, the Genius 1250W, and we tested our users in the local point at University of Washington.
Our targeted users are students because using microwave is a common sense, and in general, students use microwave to heat their food. That's why we chose them as our targeted users. Task 1 is to defrost the meat. We chose that because students always buy freezing food in the market, and we want to know how well students are doing on using the basic function of a microwave. Our task 2 is to change the cooking time. We chose that because sometimes people would find the time should be longer than they expected. Task 3 is to set the clock of the microwave to a specific time. Because once we face a power outage, the clock of the microwave will not be accurate, so we have to learn how to fix it. We want to see how well people are doing while using a unfamiliar function.
For the data 1, we measure the time our users use to find the function, because knowing the average time for people to use the functions can help us to check whether the function is accessible. For data 2, we ask our users to rate the difficulty of using the microwave. 1 is the easiest and 10 is the most difficult, because we want to know how users feel about using the microwave so that we can improve the product. Data 3 is the number of steps, because the number of steps shows the efficiency of using the microwave. Fewer the steps they use, more efficient products are.
Our first and simplest task was to find and activate the defrost process. The average time to find the defrost button was 7.1 seconds, the average difficulty rate was 2 out of 10, and the average taps it took was 3 taps. Our second task was quite difficult, where our participants had to change the cooking time. Average time to change the cooking time was 46.7 seconds, average difficulty rate was 5.3 out of 10, and average taps it took was 13. Our most challenging task was changing the time after a power outage. We set the initial time for participants to 12 p.m. They were given the task to change it to 4:15 p.m. Average time it took to change time was 1 minute and 44 seconds. Average difficulty rate was 8.6, and the average taps to change the time was 27. We created 2 recommendations. First one is with an efficient physical UI, 2 knobs, cook time, power, and 3 frequently used buttons. Second is minimalistic touchscreen UI, 3 options, numeric keypad, mode for defrost, and settings for changing time. For our future usability test, the changes we have to make is paying careful attention where our targeted participants experience the most challenging part of their experience, rather than just asking them to rate their difficulty.